Hi everyone, my name's Amna. Welcome to the Mississauga Library. Today we'll be discussing global land and water animal habitats. First we'll discuss some animals that are found primarily in the water, and then we'll discuss animals that are found on land. So first we'll talk about whales. Whales are actually mammals, they're not fish, and they used to walk the earth very, very long time ago. They're found in different oceans around the world. Then we have a shark. And here I have a picture of the white-tipped reef shark right over here. And you can see a whale right up there as well. So, sharks are also found in different oceans around the world, and they have 7 senses as opposed to the 5 senses that we have. They can sense electromagnetic fields around them as well as changes in water pressure. So they can sense when animals are nearby if they want to prey on them. The next animal we'll discuss is the jellyfish. Now jellyfish has these long tentacles that you guys can see over here. They live in salty waters, so especially the oceans of the world, that's where they like to live. They don't like fresh water. They don't have any bones, and they are invertebrates. The one main predator that you might find interesting for jellyfish is sea turtles. Sea turtles love eating jellyfish. The next one over here is a seahorse. Now, seahorse, even though it's a fish, is not a good swimmer. They don't like to swim very much. And they are found mostly in the tropical and temperate waters around the world. And then we have rainbow trout. I'm sure everybody has at one point eaten a rainbow trout. It is a relative of the salmon, and it is found in, it was native to the area around Vancouver, so the Pacific Ocean, but now it's been introduced in lots of different parts of the world because it's a very popular farming fish. And the last animal we'll talk about for the water is the octopus. And the octopus is found primarily in the Indian and Pacific Oceans. And they have 8 arms, which are also called tentacles. They actually have 9 brains and 3 hearts. So that is, and they're actually very intelligent animals. They can camouflage themselves so that they can hide from their predators as well. Okay, so now we'll discuss our land animals. So here we have the elephant, which is the largest land mammal, and it's found in parts of Asia, such as India and China, but mostly it's in Africa now. The size of the elephant's ears are dependent on the area, on the climate that they live in. So if they live in a very hot climate, then they have really big ears so that they can cool themselves down. And I have a picture of an elephant right here with its mom. Nice picture. So the Asian elephant is now considered an endangered species. And the other cool thing about the elephant is that its trunk alone has 100,000 muscles. So we only have 693 in our body, but that trunk alone has 100,000 muscles. And here's another picture of elephants at the watering hole that you guys can see. All right. Now, the next animal we're talking about is Z for zebra. I know you guys already know that letter. So, zebras are actually part of the horse family, and there's 3 main types of zebras, but they're mostly located now in different parts of Africa. You don't really find them in the wild in other countries so much. And I have a picture of a zebra right here. Right over here. Nice picture of the zebra. Okay, now we have a really nice big giant panda bear, and as most people know, these are only found now in parts of China, and they are considered an endangered species as well. They really like the warm and wet weather in China, so that's where they tend to flourish in the wild. Now, if anyone knows what food they like to eat, please try to guess with your class. It starts with the letter B. I'll give you a couple of seconds. Yes, bamboo shoots. That's right. Now we'll talk about lions. Lions used to be in Africa and Asia and in certain parts of Europe, but now you only find them in Africa in the wild, and sub-Saharan Africa for that matter too. The interesting thing about lions is that they can actually eat baby elephants. So they can eat baby elephant calves. Now I know that might not be the most amazing thing, but I'm just like, that's actually a really big animal, and they can eat really big animals like baby elephants as well. Now they like to live in the grassy plains, savannas, and open woodlands of Africa. Okay. Now we're going to talk about monkeys. Now monkeys, I'm sure you guys have seen everywhere in zoos and in other parts of the world. There are basically two types of monkeys that scientists have classified. There are old world monkeys and new world monkeys. So the old world monkeys are found in Africa and Asia, like baboons and macaques. And the new world monkeys are found in Mexico, Central America, and South America. And those are spider monkeys and howler monkeys and squirrel monkeys. So let me just show you a picture of a howler monkey, and it's right over there. I don't know if you guys can see that, but it's right there. Okay. So again, they like to live in the jungle, and you'll find a lot of them in the Amazon rainforest and other places close to the equator. And now our last animal is the kangaroo. And I know a lot of people will know that a lot of kangaroos live in Australia. There's 70 different kinds of kangaroos, but most of them fall into two large families, red and gray. And those are mostly found in Australia, like we discussed before. Now we're going to show you where all of these animals are on the map. So thanks for joining me today, and I'm going to show you also some books that you can get from the library to supplement your project on animals and their habitats. Thanks everybody for watching. Have a great day. Bye. Here are some of the resources that I used for this video. If you'd like to check out more, please check our online library at mississaugalibrary.ca. You can go ahead and place any of these items on hold and pick them up at any Mississauga library location. Thanks and have a great day, everybody. Bye!